When the soil is turned to cement, when the gum between us is turned into cement, where do you go?